It's that time of year again. Are you ready to write and send your holiday greeting cards? Watch our new Christmas tutorial to see 4 different and easy card designs you can easily paint yourself. For this tutorial, you will need Artistro brush paint pens and an Artistro watercolor portable set and Artistro acrylic paint markers. Don't forget to check the links in the description. Use the paintbrush and water to wet the watercolor paper. This technique is called wet on wet, and it lets you create these amazing gradients. Use a paper towel to remove the water from the edges. Let the paper dry completely and use Artistro acrylic paint pen with a fine tip to add details. The lights come into life. For the second card, you will need Artistro brush paint pens, a black acrylic paint pen, watercolor paper, and a piece of plastic. Paint over the plastic with brush pens. Wet the watercolor paper and quickly stick the plastic to the paper and press it down. Take off the plastic and check the results. Beautiful! Let it dry completely and use a black paint pen to add the Christmas trees and your wishes. For the third design, let's use Artistro brush paint pens in metallic colors and the same technique with plastic. Paint the Christmas tree on the plastic. Add some water to blend the colors and press it down to the paper to create a pattern. Let it dry completely. Use a black brush pen to create calligraphy. Flexible soft brush tip. Exclusive nylon brush tip works like a paintbrush to create extra fine, fine medium, or bold strokes. Finish this abstract Christmas tree with some snowflakes. Cover the area with paper towels. Paint the strokes on the plastic with brush paint pens. Add some water and press it down to the paper. Be careful! Let it dry and add some festive calligraphy with a red brush pen. Add some cute ornaments. Like all handmade gifts, DIY cards are a thoughtful way to spread a little holiday spirit and are an amazing way to put the craft supplies you already have to good use.